Have you ever tried hot Cheetos with cheese? They were at every corner store growing up in the Rio Grande Valley. Stay tuned, we'll be right back with a full recipe. Hola amigos, welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. Today we're making hot Cheetos with homemade cheese sauce. This is a Rio Grande Valley classic and one of my favorite snacks growing up. Every corner store had it, every gas station had it, and now we're making it at home with a cheese sauce that is smooth and made from scratch. For more delicious recipes, visit us at TexMexAtHome.com. Now let's get started. This recipe serves 3 to 4 people. For today, we will need 1 bag of hot Cheetos crunchy, 4 ounces of cheese shredded, 1 cup of evaporated milk, 3 teaspoons of instant corn masa, and half a teaspoon of mustard powder. In a medium bowl, add your shredded cheese and instant corn masa and give it a mix. You want to coat the cheese in the corn masa. This gives the cheese that nacho or tortilla chip flavor. Once it is completely mixed in, set it aside. Let's head to the stove. In a saucepan over low heat, pour in your evaporated milk. Let it heat gently. You want it warm, not boiling, so keep your heat low. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, hit like and subscribe. It helps us keep these recipes coming. Now add your cheese. Begin to stir constantly. Then add your mustard powder and keep stirring until everything is melted and smooth. This takes about 5 minutes. Just remember, low heat and stir for the perfect sauce. You won't taste the mustard powder, but it deepens the flavor of the cheese in a way that makes a real difference. That is the secret ingredient. And there you have it, perfect cheese sauce for your hot Cheetos with cheese. If you would like a thicker cheese, you can follow the recipe here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more Tex-Mex at home recipes, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new one. Now it's time to try it. We pour it on. And now we try it. Ooh. Perfect. Just like home. I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.